To the other side of the island, and now I'm going to jump on the ferry, and from there it's a bus and then a plane heading for Guayaquil for one night before my next adventure. So this is how we get to from Galapagos.
Once later you can become a tortoise going into the Galapagos.
On the way to the airport, or on the way from the airport, depending on the flight times, there is a stop that you should do, have to do, if you ask for a taxi driver, and it's the El Chato Ranch, and it's $10 now to get in. That seems to be varied online as to what you can find, but it's $10, I can tell you. Tea and coffee for a tip, welly boots if you really want them, but this is the reason why you come. I've just seen them over in the distance, not the two I just showed you, but they're huge. I mean, I know they're called giant tortoises, but these guys are huge. So unlike some of the other areas that you can visit, this is actually private property, and so the animals here are technically wild animals just in a protected zone. It's not conservation, it's not breeding. He just has them here to keep them safe, and so people like myself can come and explore and see them. So this is a near natural habitat for the animals. There's just a little bit more food here for them than they would find in the wild, which is why the animals choose to stay.
Here, the principal food is the grass. All the time they are eating from the ground. They have the shed. Here, the grass is the principal food. The rest is
Swimming, just floating in the spa. Lava tunnels. In the lava tunnels. So this was formed when the lava used to flow through here, and this is what's left. So they used to be connected, but over time they've fallen apart. So here we go, number 2. This one's a lot taller. This is pretty impressive. So there's like 3 tunnels here. The smallest one was 10 meters, the rest are longer, and you can just walk straight through and appreciate how these islands were formed. Okay, well, I enjoyed that. A nice, easy pit stop. Great place to walk around, easy. Yeah, unless you're claustrophobic and don't like tunnels. got in the taxi before us this morning lost his phone, so we're trying to help track him down. So we're walking around the airport looking for William, and we found him, so now we're trying to connect him and his phone together. It's getting worse. So I found William, but actually it turns out it's William's friend's phone, but the friend's already on a flight, so he was waiting to get it, and now because he's not William, well, he is William but it's not William's phone, and he doesn't have documentation, they're not going to give him the phone. So we're just still trying to convince them, show them, anything. Oh, can you see, can you see, can you see? Yay! Gotcha! So they said that the only way you could see these was on a trip, and they're just sat here at the airport. Okay, time to board, about 2 hours flight time, plus the hour that I lost. Landed into Guayaquil now. I'm just staying the night here, like I said, at an airport hotel before carrying on my journey to Banos, because at the moment this is a place with travel advisories. Do not come here, do not stay here. So I'm staying as close to the airport as I can before carrying on out. Station's huge. 6.5 hours. Here we go. $12. It's quite nice. Free bottle of water. That's a footrest, but my bag's on the way. And they recline, as you can see. Okay, pit stop for a toilet break, and there's no Wi-Fi on the bus, and I finished my book. Oh, poor planning. Told to get off the bus, booked a direct bus. Now I'm sat, not really sure what's going on. Bus broke down. Now I'm on another bus. So, and I think I'm not far from where I was before, which is really quite nice. And I made it. So I have now made it to Banos after this travel day. I am staying at the Selena, and I'm actually in a dorm to myself tonight, which is quite nice. And I'm going to pick this up tomorrow and take you on a tour around this beautiful mountain place. So, see you there.